Hey guys, it's Mr. Breitholtz. I'm going to walk you through a really awesome animation tool called flipaclip. So on your tablet, there is a flipaclip app. So you have to find that app. So it looks like this cool little pinwheel, says flipaclip, and I'm going to go ahead and touch and open that. So when you get in here, it's going to look kind of like this. You'll see a series of projects. Our iPads are shared, so you might have other students making projects. So please, of course, leave theirs alone if someone else has it on there. So I have one that I started, you can see right there, but I'm gonna make a new one just to walk you through the whole process. So to start this, I'm gonna hit the plus sign in the bottom corner and I'm gonna name my animation. So any animation you make on these shared iPads, make sure you name it your name and the grade. If you wanna add, say like if you're gonna come up with a certain story, so it'd be like Nate Ball animation. So I'm going to go ahead and create an animation that uses some sort of ball and movement. So I'm going to just create that as my example. So I can then from here, I can select my scenes. So they have some scenes that they've populated inside flipaclip for you if you want, or you can choose paper, say like crumpled paper, other things, patterns, or you can actually shoot a picture or upload your own image on the bottom right. So you can insert a picture. The picture function, how that works is it'll actually pop up the camera then, and then you can shoot a picture of whatever you like and create an animation from that. So I'm going to just take a picture and touch OK. And it will load it, and I can move this around and edit it a bit. I'm going to save it, and it will import this right into my animation. There we go. So, and then I can choose on the bottom some different things like frame rate. So frame rate, what that is, and it'll show you an example, is how many pictures per second. So if I want it really choppy and slow, let's say I do 1 per second. That's how slow it would be. It starts or defaults at 12, which is kind of a nice frame rate for being pretty smooth. So I'm gonna leave it at that. And then the canvas size, I'm just gonna leave it 720p. That's fine. Then my project is ready to start. On the left side, you have some options like your pen. You can change the size of your pen. Oh, I can go back by going back on the top right. So the size, I can touch that little thing and just go. If I go left and right, you'll see the pen size, and up and down, the pen size change. So I can make it thinner and thicker. I'm gonna leave it fairly small. I can change the color of my pen. So if I want to choose a color to start from animation, I can do that. I can go back to the toolbox. So if I create a shape, I can also fill it in. So if I create, let's say I'm going to create this ball for my animation, close my shape off, I can actually fill it in then by just tapping on top of that. So on the bucket, I can change the color and fill it in with the color that I want to start, right? So I can start like that. So then I'm going to go ahead and go back to my pen and change the color because I want to add some eyes and other stuff on my cool little animation here. And now I'm going to draw my character. He's sort of a sad looking little guy right now. So you certainly want to think about like cool little drawing qualities and things like that as you develop these. And I would encourage you to take your sketchbook and draw some ideas or a piece of scratch paper prior to creating your animation because it'll help you develop your ideas. When you're ready to go on and create next frame, you just hit the plus sign on the bottom and it creates a ghost of your image. So then you have to actually recreate the objects as you move along and add them. So I'm going to just go ahead and create, and I need that color again. Use that color again. And I'm going to recreate, so this thing's going to move my shape. I'm going to fill it in again. All right, and I'm going to draw the eyes how I'd like them. So I'm going to go back to black again. And he's going to be kind of happy now. His hair is going to move a little bit. His foot's going to move a little bit. And you can see the ghost on the bottom. This helps you to then see your animation as it goes. Now, if you want to watch it and see it play, you just hit play and your animation will start to move. Now, of course, the more frames that you develop, the more you'll kind of see it move along slowly, and you can have it move all around, go behind shapes and around shapes. And then you can also add audio in the bottom left corner, and you can add audio into your animation too. So there are a lot of possibilities with this, but that is the basic introduction of flipaclip. So play, develop a story, and have fun.